All right, guys. Hey, we are out here in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Kind of known for a residential neighborhood out here. Not a lot of property, so it's really cool to be able to put a steel building out in somebody's backyard here. Of course, beautiful piece of property. Not a lot of room, so we went with a smaller building here. This is an 18 by 20. Come check this thing out. All right, guys, so just because you don't have a lot of land doesn't mean you're stopped from putting up a storage building. Just like this customer here, not a lot of room, not a huge backyard. We're under an acre here out in Wesley Chapel, Florida, and we've built an 18 by 20 on a 10-foot leg storage building. The structure itself, so this is a 2.5-inch square tubing. We call these tubular steel buildings, but this is erected 100% on site. Base rails go down, legs go on, trusses, roof, siding, and now it's done. And something like this actually just goes up in one day. So once we get past permitting, we get our foundation on the ground, and you guys let us know you're ready for scheduling. Once our crew shows up, this goes up. Actually, this building right here is probably just under a full day's worth of work. So super impressive. Guys are in and out of here. And as you can see from the exterior, it's awesome. And a lot of the benefits to going with a steel building is you can go wider than a portable shed, and you can optimize your height too. So this has a 10-foot leg on it, and in a backyard, a 10-foot leg in your shed is awesome. As you can see, they've actually stored some paddle boards and stuff up high, plenty of room for shelving and everything. And this customer has done an awesome job with organizing all the stuff that used to be in his garage. And now that he has some collectibles in the garage, and he can put all this stuff outside. Being able to start that process, of course, coming into Keen's Buildings and giving us an idea. You want to know what size you can put on your property, of course, but your design, your color, your layout, and then the big question is permitting. Like, can I get this building? And absolutely, something like this building is fully engineered for any part of the state of Florida, and we can get you the appropriate engineering to do that. A county setback is how far you are off your property line and where you can build your building. And as long as you do have the room to accommodate those setbacks for the county, you shouldn't have any issue being able to get a steel building in your backyard or storage shed. It might limit you to what size building you can go with. So this option right here was literally maxed out for what he can get out here. And then we'll take a look outside too. We're gonna check out some of the outside features to it. He really dressed it up. He has a really beautiful house. He wanted to put extra eaves on here. So we're gonna go check that out and check out the porch that looks over this lake. All right, guys, we're gonna check out on the side here, our porch. We put a 6-foot wide porch that runs the whole length of the building. I guess we call it a porch in this case, but this is just a lean-to. And lean-tos start out as a structure with legs every 5 feet. And then ultimately, how do you get rid of those legs to give it a residential look, give it a porch look? You put in a header. That header runs the whole length of it. And then also the vertical siding. It is a two-tone with a wainscoting at the bottom, color match screws. And these are little features. These are nothing that you have to go with. But it's definitely something when you're looking to build your steel building that you want to keep in mind. Horizontal siding and vertical siding. Can I do a porch? How do I do these cool features of opening up the side of my porch if that's what you want? And these are questions at Keen's that is something that we walk you guys right through. We give suggestions. We help you build your building. All right, guys, we're wrapping up this 18 by 20. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you're interested in a storage building, don't stop yourself because you don't have a lot of land. Come see us. We'll get something put together for you. And we have 7 locations, so all over the state of Florida. If you like these videos, we appreciate watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us on all platforms.